Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 35 of the Adobe InDesign tutorial series, and today we're going to talk about formatting paragraphs inside of Adobe InDesign. So over here you can see that I'm on my paragraph, I'm on my text tool, and if you were to click it you can see that you'll see your paragraph right there. So what I can do is I'm going to type in a title right here. Let me just resize this and I'm going to say at the top this is a title, just like this, and then I'm gonna press enter over here, just like over here, enter. This is a subtitle, just like that, and I'm going to increase this in size, something like 36. Alright, let me select all of it and select 36 right there, and then I'm gonna select this subtitle right here. And then I'm gonna select something like 18. Alright, so let me just this is not the size. Alright, let me just press 24. This 24 is too much, I guess. Let's just do 12. Alright, so there you go. I got the title and subtitle. Let me do both caps. So now what I can do is that I can actually just click on the spot where I want to adjust the paragraph, and now you can see that I'm on my text edit mode. If you were to click this, you can see that the things that is on the right, that is the paragraph alignment tool, you can actually bring it to the left. Now I'm on my paragraph formatting mode. So I can select the text, and you can see that I can center align this, I can right align this, and so forth. And I'm gonna center align this one, and this one I'm gonna center align it as well. This you can see is the paragraph. You can left align it, center align it, or right align it. And you can also justify this. You can see that that'll bridge out the gaps just like this. On the left line, I might actually notice that over here there's -8 and here's a -8 as well. And sometimes that can be annoying for the readers to read. And to disable that, you can just click on -8, and that will remove the -8 from the paragraph itself. So over here, let me just left align this and justify this out. So over here, what is actually happening is that I have an invisible character. Usually it's not actually good to add an invisible characters. Let me just say, for example, if you want to add in, usually in Microsoft Word, you press an enter, and then on the beginning of the paragraph, you actually press tab. So usually we make indentations like that. But it's not a good idea to add in blank spaces. So for that, what we have is we actually have something called the padding mode. So you can see that this is the title, and now you can increase the title. This is the top padding, so you want to increase the bottom padding, just increase this, and you can see that the bottom padding actually increases just like that. Let me press 0 over here, and this is the subtitle right here. Let me just increase this out, and you can see that actually increases the bottom padding right here. And over here in this section, I'm going to increase the top padding. So this does not actually work because this is the first letter itself, so leave it that to 0. And then over here I want to increase the tabbing over here, so you can see that I can increase the tab. Just press 2 picas and you can see that 2 picas actually gets applied. So whenever you press enter in from the paragraph, you can see that the same picas actually gets appeared. And now you can see that this is the paragraph I have, and I'm going to press enter and a space like that. Let me just increase this in size, and you can see that you have the picas just like that. And just click on the name just like this. You can click the name, and you can click settings over here at the top. You can just increase the size, and you can see that without pressing enter I can adjust the size of the page just like this. And this is how the title actually appears. So this is how paragraph formatting works inside of Adobe InDesign. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.